Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to enable FCC Mode on the DJI Avata 2. We'll also dive into the advantages that make this drone feel like a completely different one. If you're flying the DJI Avata 2 in CE mode, you already know the frustration. The signal strength is limited, and the maximum speed is around 60 kilometers per hour, which isn't much for an FPV drone. In FCC mode, however, you can unlock stronger transmission settings that significantly improve signal range and stability. The top speed can even reach around 105 kilometers per hour, which is very impressive for a DJI drone. So, we know the advantages of FCC mode. Now, here is how to unlock it and set it up on your Avata 2. There is a file called hamcfg support, which I will send from my email that is shown on the screen now. This file allows you to activate FCC mode on the goggles. You just need to send me an email with the subject line FCC mode and include a screenshot showing that you subscribe to the channel. Now, I'll show you how it works on my goggles and how to properly enable the Avata 2 in FCC mode. First, we'll need a memory card for the goggles, where we'll place it. Once the file is on the goggles, simply turn on the goggles first, then power on the Avata 2 and the controller. It is important to turn on the goggles first, otherwise the Avata 2 will remain in CE mode. Once the goggles are turned on, go to the Transmission tab. Then change the channel mode to Manual, which allows you to adjust additional drone frequency settings. If you followed all of these steps, you're ready to start flying. Just remember that if you want to fly in FCC mode, you must turn on the goggles first and then the drone. Otherwise, it won't work. So that's everything. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe. If you still have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you.